Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to Charming Intelligent, a very powerful intelligent curtain system company in China. It was established in 1997 with a modern factory of 60,000 square meters. It uses automatic production equipment to provide high-quality custom curtain production services to the world. The product system is rich, including window decoration rails, window decoration curtain, electron opening and closing curtain systems, ceiling curtains, building external sunshades, intelligent building systems, etc., covering many fields such as residential space, office space, commercial space, 5-star hotels and public buildings.